So, welcome to the week 2 of the Sunday Build series. So, for those who does not know what this episode or series is all about, I am documenting what is happening in my life for the next 52 weeks. It would be consisting of my failures, what I learned, what I earned, what was my success, how am I. It's basically about the overall process towards my goal. Most of them does tell you once they reach that goal that this is what I have done. But I'm going to be taking you to the path. I'm going to be showing you my whole journey transparent. It's not going to be some scripted or some system I would be following. It's going to be raw and transparent, just what happened as it is. So if you're interested, let's get into today's episode. So what did I learn this week? I would name this week's as Claudonomics. So whatever I have done, it's all through Claude. And I did something called vibe coding. Like, I have seen a lot in the net that vibe coding. And I was clearly having no clue about what vibe coding is. So vibe coding is basically, for example, me. I have no experience in coding. If I could execute the same output as of software engineers or as of web developers, that's called vibe coding. It's basically no code. So the Claude Code does this. Like, you just need to type the prompt. You just need to tell exactly how your app or how your prototype needs to look like, and it will give you the exact output. I spent most of my time in doing that. And you would have said, you must be thinking, right? Okay, he's just saying what he has built. I will exactly show you what I built. So the screen that you're able to see right now, this is the software that I built. So what it is my competitors. So I have taken some 4 to 5 competitors who are in my niche, who publishes video on AI. And in order for me to track what they're doing, their thumbnails, their titles, what type of hooks they're using, what type of CTA they're using, I built a web page which will show me exactly what it is. So that my research time, this could be acting as my research time. So what else? Claude Design. There were a lot of things that happened in AI today. A lot of things. And I made videos of it. Claude Design, Opus 4.7, a new model in Claude. Then image generation 2. I just made a recent video about image generation yesterday. So, what it can do is absolutely stunning. If you wanted to do a marketing campaign or some ad running in some other languages, for example, if I know English, I don't know, maybe Marathi or Bengali, I could be telling that this is the exact thing that I need to do, and it will translate to you in a poster. So, yeah, what else? I have been seeing few podcasts regarding how to effectively use AI. AI is just not about prompt. It's more than that. It's going to work for you as an assistant, what they call as agentic AI. It will automate your monotonous work, or it will act as your executive, C-suite executive. So that is my tagline of my YouTube channel, is how solopreneurs, startup founders could use AI to turn into C-suite executive. If I'm not using it, if I'm not implementing it in my daily life, how can I explain it to you? This week was most of practical knowledge, and even a lot of learnings I was able to do. What did I do? There was a podcast of Raj Shamani with Vaibhav Cicinity. So I watched, it was around 3 hours podcast. If you have got time, I would recommend you to go watch it. It's full of knowledge that you would gain in 3 hours. It is like a workshop, I would say, for AI. What else? Yeah, I'm learning a book, The Millionaire Fast Lane. So I've actually completed 40 to 45% of the book. So hopefully I would be completing by this week. So I'm not taking it like a fast that I need to finish my book within a week. Like, I'm taking it slowly, because what I am doing is I'm just not reading a book. For example, if I'm reading 10 pages, I'm writing an action plan. How could I implement these 10 pages into my daily life or into my daily operations in my business? And I'm implementing it, noticing whether if it's anything changes. If it's not changing, that's fine. I'm proceeding into the next action plan. So this is the strategy that I'm using. And in regards of health, yeah, I started waking up a little earlier. I'm able to see that I'm getting a lot of time to do my activities. Right now, I'm fully focused into learning and implementing AI. Imagine horse with blinders, I'm like that. I'm just putting my blinders on, not deviating from anything, just learning AI. I know that it's going to be tough. I wanted to be in some uncomfortable stage, but I love that. I wanted to learn AI. I wanted to implement it. I wanted to think about AI, sit with AI at all times. So because there is plans that's been going on, which I wanted to achieve it within like 4 to 5 months. So that's why. And mostly if I wanted to do a YouTube channel, and it's like, so my YouTube channel system is 5 shots in a week and 3 long form videos. In order for me to do that, I need to have knowledge. I should have implemented it. And if it's only working for me, I'm gonna make a video. I'm just not gonna see some YouTube channel. If they have done it, I'm gonna do a video. No, okay, yeah, I do watch YouTube videos, but I take that, understand it, implement it in my daily business or my daily operations. If it's useful for me, if it's giving me some effective, and if it's making me effective and efficient, I'm gonna make a video of it. So basically this week's all about Claudonomics and about AI. I was able to follow the system in content creation as a business. I was able to post 14 shots until now and 3 long form videos. And luckily I got 2 subscribers. I'm so happy that I got 2 subscribers. So I wanted to thank Saurabh Mishra and Prashant Kumar for commenting onto my videos. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So comment down below what type of videos do you want to learn about AI. I will surely make a video about that. And so if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it so that you will be notified about my later upcoming videos.